Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can play Neverwinter from your browser. Basically you can't actually play, you can just check your guild, your professions and auction house. So you can still do the majority of things you could in game, except you can't actually like level up and do quests. So we have to go to gateway.playneverwinter.com. The link is gonna be down in the description also, and we have to log in here, type in our password, and the first time you log in through your browser you will also get the email authorization, but after you logged in once from a certain computer you will no longer receive this anymore. So here we go. Actually, if you clean your cache, you will get this again. So just a heads up. So you have to go to your Gmail or wherever you have your mail set up, and you just copy this number, one-time code, and you pretty much log in. Now, first up you get the character selection screen. I will select my level 56 cleric right here, and you can actually also use this on a phone. It's pretty simple. It has to be a phone that supports, I believe, Flash, so basically any smartphone will work. Android or iPhone, all of that should work. Also Windows Phone should work. So first we have the character sheet. For example, if you want to brag to your friends or just check what you're wearing, or like, whatever. So you can see your items in here. Sometimes it loads a little bit longer. I don't know why that is. It's not the internet, but just takes a while sometimes. So we can just, for example, check what we have here. My armor. It's pretty simple. All the stats and abilities, it's all here. Also your fashion items. As you can see, I have nothing. And then you have the auction house. You can basically sell items in here. You can check items if they're still selling. There you go. For example, if I search for, let's say, dark, let's say I want dark enchantment rank 4, I can search for that in enchantments and runes. It usually takes a while to load, that was quite fast, but it usually takes a while. Now, for example, you can buy something in here. Let's say, yeah, I want this. You can buy out here. Say I want to buy out. Are you sure you want to make this purchase? Okay. Unable to make this purchase. Okay, so this is glitched. As you can see, there's no expires in, so that makes sense. So you can still bid. For example, let's say I want to bid 1k on this. Place a bid. Are you sure you want to place this bid? Okay. The bid on the auctions, you bid on the auction successfully, so that worked. Also, you can check your consignments. So I'm selling 2 items for 7 and 8k. That's all good. My bids. So as you can see, I was trying to get some residue for a cheap price. I couldn't get any. So alright. Now this is probably the main reason why you would consider actually going online to the gateway to play. You can do your professions from here. As you can see, I can collect my results right from the browser. So here's my rough astrals. I can collect all of this, and it's really simple to do this. Even on a phone you can do this with no struggle whatsoever. It does tend to be a bit laggy, or it takes a while on a phone, but if you really want to do it, it's not really hard, but it can glitch up sometimes and there's more pages. So they supposed to fix it. I think they did. It's not as glitchy as it was at the beginning, but it works pretty much flawless, almost flawless. You know, you can still, if you refresh, you can still end up doing what you wanted. So for example, I can just, let me choose some tasks really quick here. Let's say these two, put my guards on it. Here I will do some mails meeting, and we will make some, yeah, you actually have to go to other pages, or you sort by lowest. Will it change it? So as you can see, this is, there we go. Okay, let's say we want, I don't have charcoal. Okay, I will make iron, I guess, with the prospector. There we go, start task. Here another one. We'll gather some iron ore. I'm just doing this, you know, for fun now, because there's not anything else I can do. Let's do this, I guess. So there we go, you can basically do professions really easily, and you can check them online at any time. But if you're doing this from a phone, please make sure that your data plan is big enough for this, because it does take quite a lot of space, all this high-res textures and everything, or use Wi-Fi. Then here we have the guild, so you can pretty much check out your guild, your rooster, all like information. All the players are in here. You can even check each character out itself, and you can see their armor also, so that's really good. And last, you can check your mail. Here might load for a while, and I have no mail because I delete all of my mail. And you can still send mail, but let's see. No, you can't actually select characters. You have to know their name. So that's pretty much it. That's all we can do in here, and you can also then change the character back from there, like craft here also. Okay, I call this crafting. It's professions, I know, but just, you know, other games would usually call this crafting. This icon here, like, this kind of looks like crafting. I don't know, just kind of reminds me of something. Yeah, RuneScape, that's what. So yeah, I call it crafting. I'm sorry guys, it's professions. So for example, I can still like do this for leadership. Actually, leadership, yeah. There you go. That's pretty much it, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you found this video useful and that you will start using the gateway to play your character.